fast-cut shots of dusty PC fans, car vents, and keyboards, followed by satisfying before and after clips of dust being blasted away. Stop buying canned air. It's 2026, and if you're still using those freezing chemical-filled spray cans that lose pressure after 10 seconds, you are living in the past. Today, we're looking at the ultimate cleaning upgrade. These aren't just fans. They are high-speed, 100,000 RPM beasts that fit in the palm of your hand. From the ultimate car detailing tool to the must-have for every PC builder, we've tested them all to bring you the top 5 best electric air dusters of 2026. Let's blast through the list. Parfumi Electric Air Duster. Experience next-level precision with the Zarimi Electric Air Duster. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Zarimi Electric Air Duster, a high-performance solution engineered for the modern tech enthusiast. Powered by a staggering 170,000 RPM brushless motor, this device delivers a concentrated blast of air that effortlessly clears stubborn dust from keyboards, PC internals, and delicate electronic vents, all without the need for direct contact. Whether you are maintaining a high-end gaming setup or an office workstation, its 4-speed adjustable control provides the versatility you need, from a gentle breeze for fragile components to a powerful gust for deep-seated debris. Designed with portability in mind, its cordless handheld frame makes it the perfect companion for home, office, or travel use. By choosing Zarimi, you aren't just getting a superior clean, you are making a smarter, eco-friendly investment. It serves as the ultimate reusable alternative to compressed air cans, eliminating the need for constant refills while significantly reducing waste. Sleek, powerful, and built to last, the Zarimi Air Duster is the only tool you'll ever need to keep your electronics in pristine condition. 4. Fantic B10 Pro Max. Fantic Cordless Air Duster. The ultimate power in your palm. Experience the perfect fusion of raw power and portable convenience with the Fantic Air Duster. Engineered with a high-performance 130,000 RPM brushless motor, this device effortlessly clears everything from delicate electronic dust to stubborn workbench grit with speeds reaching 65 meters per second. Whether you need the precision of its 6 adjustable speed levels or the instant surge of the Mega Boost one-tap booster, no mess is out of reach. Designed for the modern professional and outdoor enthusiast alike, its palm-sized frame hides a massive 2x4,000 mAh battery capacity, providing up to 210 minutes of runtime and even doubling as a 28.8 watt-hour backup power bank for your mobile devices. The experience is as intuitive as it is powerful. A bright LED display keeps your settings in focus, while the built-in illumination light exposes hidden debris in the darkest corners of your PC or workspace. Beyond mere cleaning, this versatile tool includes 4 specialized nozzles and 2 cleaning brushes, making it just as capable of inflating airbeds and swim rings as it is at detailing a modular keyboard. Compact, smart, and relentlessly efficient, the Fantic Air Duster is the only cleaning and inflation companion you'll ever need. 3. Zoer Air Duster. Elevate your cleaning game with our ultra-powerful electric air duster, engineered to tackle the toughest grime with a massive 130,000 RPM brushless motor. Delivering a blistering 52 ms/s airflow, it can blast away 3 years of stubborn dust in just 10 seconds. Designed as a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to canned air, this one device replaces over 1,000 disposable cans, providing a dry, stable airflow that protects your sensitive electronics. With 4 adjustable wind speeds, including a storm mode for heavy-duty tasks, and a comprehensive kit of 6 nozzles and 10 detailing brushes, you have infinite mastery over everything from delicate keyboards to car interiors and outdoor inflatables. Despite its raw power, this mini blower is incredibly lightweight at just 0.62 pounds, making it the perfect portable companion. Powered by an 8,000 mAh battery with AI-protected fast charging, you get up to 120 minutes of runtime on a single 2.5-hour Type-C charge. Whether you're deep cleaning your home office or detailing your vehicle, this air duster combines high-tech precision with unmatched convenience. 2. Wolfbox MF50. Experience the ultimate cleaning revolution with the Wolfbox MegaFlow 50. A compact powerhouse designed to replace outdated disposable air cans. Engineered with a high-performance turbofan reaching a staggering 110,000 RPM, this electric air duster effortlessly blasts away stubborn dust and debris with 3 adjustable speed settings tailored to your needs. Beyond its raw power, the MF50 is a champion of convenience and sustainability. Weighing a mere 0.45 pounds, its lightweight, portable design, complete with a handy lanyard, makes it the perfect companion for cleaning keyboards, delicate electronics, car interiors, or home crevices. With 4 versatile nozzles and a long-lasting battery that offers up to 240 minutes of use, you get professional-grade performance in the palm of your hand. Ditch the waste and switch to the eco-friendly, fast-charging Wolfbox MegaFlow 50 for a cleaner, smarter lifestyle. 1. Fresmol Air Duster Experience Next Level Cleaning. The ultimate cordless air duster. Ditch the disposable cans and upgrade to a smarter, more sustainable cleaning solution. Our high-performance cordless air duster is powered by a massive 100,000 RPM motor, delivering a precise and powerful airflow across 3 adjustable gears to tackle everything from delicate electronics to stubborn debris. Designed with a high-capacity 7,500 mAh battery, it offers up to 40 minutes of continuous power and features a crisp HD LED display, so you're always in control of your battery life and speed settings. Whether you're refreshing a computer keyboard, detailing your car's interior, or even prepping a barbecue, this versatile tool, equipped with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, is built for the task. It's not just powerful, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective, eliminating the need for wasteful compressed air. Lightweight, portable, and built with advanced safety protections, it is the perfect all-in-one cleaning companion for your home, office, and beyond. And that's the lineup. From the raw power of the Wolfbox MF100 to the crazy $350,000 RPM speed of the Vogma V9, it's clear that 2026 is the year we finally say goodbye to those freezing cans of air for good. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, I've dropped the latest pricing and discount codes for all 5 dusters in the description below. Which one are you picking up? Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Pure Power or Team Ultra Portable? Don't forget to smash that like button if this helped you choose, and hit subscribe for more deep dives into the best tech of 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.